I'm not really bullish on the average person's falling behind, right? I'm kind of
Well,
bearish
record
on that.
inflation and jobs markets are struggling. Yeah. And then a lot of consumers are concerned, but the
But
market's
markets are
struggling all
not
that
the
often.
economy.
Yep.
They're just not,
I
especially when
I and I know sometimes people look at our conversations, they're like, well, what about the human element of it? We're talking about the stock market. The stock market has discounted the human element for the last 25 years.
yeah, like
Mm.
it's
So I know for a fact all three of these dudes on this podcast are populist.
yep,
Mhm.
every
I know
one of
for a
us.
fact all three of us are. We might have our different takes on things, but we're all populists that care about people. People are getting left behind. There's
They
no
are.
doubt about that. And we should have a podcast soon talking about the problems and talking about kind of some of the answers that maybe our society should have on that. And we should have a podcast on how AI is going to impact the labor market and how that evolution is going to take hold over the next 5 years. And we should do everything we can to make sure that our community is prepared to navigate those very, very sensitive and sometimes dark times. But that's why we have a community of like-minded traders and investors all helping each other navigate the financial world together. When we're talking about the markets, we got to be talking about the markets. There's always going to be a human element to it. And don't get me wrong, I'm right there with you, but like the markets are a little bit of a different topic in my opinion. And
Yeah.
Mark, you said it
All
best.
right.
The stock
Yeah.
market is not the economy, and the economy is not the stock market.